Students, here the application of derivatives, question number 24. Show that the right circular cone of least curved surface and given volume has altitude equal to root 2 times the radius of the base. This cone will have least curved surface area if this height is equal to root 2 times radius. That we have to show here. Okay, so let small r and small h be the radius and the height of the right circular cone. Okay, therefore its curved surface area, that is I am denoting by S equal to pi r l. Okay, student. Now S equals to pi r l. I am replacing this L by, and this is the right circular cone, so this h square plus r square equal to L square slanted, and that will be equals to under root h square plus r square. So replace this L by under root h square plus r square. This implies s square equal to, taking I am squaring this s square equal to pi square r square in bracket h square plus r square. Okay, this is the curved surface area. Now what is given? Given volume is given. So with the help of this volume that is constant number, so the volume is given. So as V is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h, this implies V square equals to 1 by 9 pi square r raised to the power 4 h square, and find out this h square and put that h square here, so that there will be elimination of h, only this will be in terms of r only by with the help of this given. So therefore V square or h square equal to 9v square upon pi square r raised to the power 4. So put this value in 1. So this 1 implies s square equal to pi square r square in bracket h square is 9v square upon pi square r raised to the power 4 plus r square, denominator 1. Okay, therefore s square equals to pi square r square in bracket 9v square, this 9v square plus this cross multiplication pi square r raised to the power 6 upon pi square r raised to the power 4. Okay, so cancelling this pi square r square, this will be r square, and therefore s square equals to 9v square plus pi square r raised to the power 6 upon r square. Therefore s square equal to 9v square into, this will be r raised to the power minus 2 plus pi square r raised to the power 4. Now I am denoting this s square, that is curved surface area, by z suppose. So z will be equals to 9v square 9v square r raised to the power minus 2 plus pi square r raised to the power 4. So differentiating this z, that is curved surface area, with respect to r, so we get dz by dr equal to minus 18 minus 2 to 9 v square r raised to the power minus 3 plus 4 pi square r cube. Okay, student. Now dz by dr equals to 0 implies. Now dz by dr equals to 0 implies, because we want to find the turning points, maximum and minima, where the slope of the tangent line is 0. Therefore dz by dr equal to 0 implies minus 18 v square r raised to the minus 3 plus 4 pi square r raised to the power 3 equal to 0. Okay, therefore this will be 4 pi square r cube equals to 18 v square r raised to the power minus 3. Okay, so I am writing this r cube upon r raised to the power minus 3 equals to 18 by 18 v square, this 18 v square by 4 pi square. Okay, therefore r raised to the power 6 equals to 18 upon 4 pi square. I am replacing v square by v equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So v square will be 1 by 9 pi square r raised to the power 4 into h square. Okay, so 9 on the 9, 9 2 is 18, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Okay, so this is actually 4 pi, it is 4 pi square. Okay, so cancel this pi square. Okay, so r raised to the power 6 upon this r raised to the power 4 equals to, this is 1 upon 2. Okay, h square, this will be r square equals to 1 by 2 h square, that is h square equals to 2r square. Therefore h is equal to root 2 times r. Therefore height of the right circular cone should be root 2 times radius. And students, at this point h is equal to root 2 times r. You see the sign dz by dr, this changes its sign from negative to positive. According to first derivative test, you check it, dz by dr changes its sign from negative to positive, that is, it is the point of minima. Therefore the curved surface area of this cone will be least when h is equal to root 2 times r. Okay student.